Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace wheel-bearing Ford Explorer. Begin by safely lifting the vehicle and securing it on jack stands, then remove the wheel and brake caliper to access the hub assembly. Use penetrating oil on stubborn bolts, unplug the ABS sensor if present, and remove the axle nut. Inspect the hub and bearing, press out the old bearing, and press in the replacement before reassembling everything in reverse. Start by loosening lug nuts slightly, then raise the Explorer and remove the wheel. Unbolt the caliper bracket and hang the caliper with a wire, avoiding brake line strain. Remove rotor, axle nut, and any retaining clips, then separate the hub from the spindle using a slide hammer or penetrating gel and a gentle tap pattern. Clean mating surfaces, check for damage, and prepare the new bearing for installation carefully. Quick recommendation: if you want a fresher ride while you work on bearings, Little Tree's Black Ice makes your car smell great after a long job. It pairs well with a clean interior and a quick vacuum before reinstalling wheels. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals on tools and parts. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Align the new bearing and use a hydraulic press or bearing driver to seat it evenly without tilting. Reinstall the hub, torque the axle nut to factory specification, and reconnect the ABS sensor and any clips. Refit the rotor, caliper, and wheel, then lower the vehicle and torque lug nuts in a star pattern. Finally, test drive at low speed to ensure no noise, checking wheel play and brake function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.